Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So by the title, you already know what I'm about to do. I am cutting my own hair today. I usually do my own trimming, but I haven't done it in a while and I've been getting the urge to cut a little bit more than usual. So I don't know. I might chicken out once I put the scissors in, but I'm thinking somewhere like over here, like a long bob. Maybe not. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I already sectioned off like a piece of my hair. You want to grab like, I don't know if you can see that, but you want to grab like a little bit only, and that's the same amount you're going to be sectioning and comparing to the bottom one to make sure that you're cutting evenly. So I already straightened my hair, as you guys can see as well, because that is very important to get an even cut. So what I am going to do is grab this little brush and do this and cut like that. So you want to grab the back part and cut like this, not like that, because then this part is going to be shorter and it's going to go longer in the back, and that's not what I want. I want the back to go a little bit angled, not too much, but I still want the front to be a little bit longer, a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead, do that, cut. So it is safe to say I have officially chickened out from what I thought I was gonna end up doing. I really wanted to get like something up to here, but I'm chicken, so I am doing a lot shorter. I'm just gonna do, a lot longer. I'm just gonna do a straight cut right here and see what I end up with. I wanted to do something to here, but since I have really thick hair, I'm a little bit scared of like what an even cut is gonna look like fully, because I have like really thick and I have a lot of hair. So I think it's better just to do a straight cut that's still long for now, and then I'll take it from there. I'll see what else I want to do. So we can continue and do our hair now. Brush it, make sure you got it all together. Ouch, it's not working out properly. Okay, and then do this, and why is this one? I guess. Let me see what's going on here. This one's like so much uneven. Look. Maybe not. Maybe it's right there. So there you go. See what that looks like. Perfect. So it's all done now. Now all I'm going to do is cut the little ones that are sticking out, make it a little bit more even. This is what I wanted. Straight line cut, and I'm really happy with the results. So this is the finished hair, my loves. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully if you like this kind of haircut that is straight, not a lot of people like this. I happen to love it so much, but if you like it, hopefully it works for you and I taught you something. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.